Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by today. Another test on the Solo Stove Mesa XL. Somebody was going to ask this sooner or later, and that's to try one of these compressed wood blocks. Try this out in the Solo Stove. So got a couple tests I thought about. First one I thought about, well, I ripped one into thirds because each block will fit in there. Then I thought about ripping one of these thirds into thirds and seeing if that burns any. So first test, let's light the thirds up here and see how that works, and then we'll take a single block and compare it and see which lasts longer and go from there. So let's light this up, see how it goes. I've got this is like half and half hand sanitizer and alcohol, just to get things going here. I do that, count to 10, let it soak in. Let me get all my other stuff out of the way here. Get all this other fuel out of the way. Okay, clean up my mess. Alright, let's light this and get things rolling. We're going. Let me put the ring on here, and we'll see how this works. Alright, as before, time lapse. Okay, so we are at the 46-minute mark, and some thoughts on this. So when I flamed it up, we were at 15 minutes. I had waited 15 minutes, and all it was doing was smoldering. There was no flame that I could see, and it was just smoldering smoke. That's when I went over here, grabbed some of the oak twigs, and threw the oak twigs on it, added some more alcohol, and it flared up. After that, it took off. So it was definitely harder to start than pellets, but once it got going, it burned nice. As you can see now, if I bring the camera over, we're at all charcoal now. So at a half-hour mark, if I put the camera back down here, sorry. So at the half-hour mark, you'd be fueling the fire more. Let's see. Let's see how this breaks up here. So it is just basically big lump charcoal. Plenty enough heat in there to keep the fire going. That's what I'm trying to say. I'll get you back down in there. So basically just charcoal left. So my thoughts on using these compressed wood bricks. I don't know. Once you got them going, they burned well. It was kind of slower to start, a little harder to start than pellets. Will I use them again? I might. Would I use them over pellets? Nah, pellets are just too easy, and they're cheaper. These bricks here, I got that big brick for $1 a piece, about $1.25, at a big box store. It was like a 3-pack for $3.50 or something. So they are a little more expensive. Pellets are cheap. You know, you can get a 40-pound bag of heating pellets for $5, or a little over. Depends where you get them. So what's anyone think? Anyone else using these compressed bricks in their smokeless fire pits? Curious to see what your experience has been. I think I'm going to stick with pellets, but it was fun trying this out. Anyway, put this one in the books. Move on to something else. Alright, well, thank you for stopping by, and we'll see you on the next one.